Welcome to B1 lesson 26, and here we're going to be looking at which are specifically all and both. We're going to understand all and both as quantifiers. What's the meaning of all first of all? All means the whole group or everything. When I say everything, when I say the whole group, that's when I use all. It can be used with the plural countable nouns or plural or uncountable nouns generally, and even pronouns. All students, this is here used with a plural noun. All students, all information is used all with uncountable noun. Then all of us is a pronoun, remember that. So it has three uses. We use all with plural countable nouns, all with uncountable nouns, and all with pronouns. How about all with nouns? Let's see the forms. It is all plus pronouns, as I said before, all plus uncountable nouns, all of. When you say all of, it should be followed by they, my, these, any kind of pronoun. Then after that pronoun, you add a noun. After these things, after they, after my, after these, add a noun. All children need care. You see, children is a plural noun. All water is clean here. You see, like this, water is uncountable noun. All of the books are new. You see, after all of, we added the, then we added books. Books as a noun. All of the books. Let's see the word order with all. With the verb like be, all comes after the verb, which means that you have verb to be plus all, and then you continue the structure using all. How about other verbs other than be? Comes before the main verb. If we have other verbs which are not verb to be, we have all plus blah 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 blah, and then after that, that's when we have that verb. But when you have verb to be, you start with verb to be plus, then you say all. Let me indicate what I'm saying here. What I mean, here you see we have verb to be, are, then we have all. This is the first thing here. All comes after verb to be. We have verb to be here and then all. But when you have other verbs, you see here, I said, let me try to highlight it and use a different thing other than that. Let me try to highlight it. Like this one. Here they say that all comes before the main verb. We have all here. After all, we have another verb. The verb here we have is agree. Agree with. You see that? That's what I mean. Here we have verb to be and then all. Here we have all, then agree. When we have other verbs, it comes after. All comes before, then other verb. But when you have verb to be, you start with the verb to be and then you have all. The students have all finished. Let's see meaning of both. When you say both means two people or two things together. Understand this, it is only when we say two things or two people together, that's when we use both. We use both only when the number of things or the number of people we are talking is 2. When the number is something else other than 2, we can't use both. Both goes with only 2. Both answers are correct, means we have two answers. We have answer A and answer B. Both of my parents work. We have father and mother. I like both options. The same here. This is like I have option A and option B. Let's see both with nouns and pronouns. We also have both plus pronouns. Both of is followed by they, or my, or these. Then we add a noun. We could also say both of plus pronoun. The same goes with all. Remember, we said that when you have all of, we use they, my, these, and then noun. And again, when you have all of, you can also put a pronoun, the same with both. Except the difference is that we can't use both with uncountable noun. You see here we have both with plural countable nouns, the same with all. We can use all with plural countable nouns, but on all we can use all with the plural uncountable noun, but when we go on both it can't be. We only use it with plural countable, and those countable plural nouns should be only two things or two people. Both the students passed, both of the houses are empty, both of them arrived early. Let's see what order with both. When we have be, both comes after the verb. When we have other verbs, both comes before the main verb. The same structure with all. When we have verb to be, it is the one that comes first. Then we have both, we can also have all. When we have other verb which are not verb to be, we have both first, then that verb. And the same with all. We have all, then the verb. We all understand the rules. We both understand the rules. They are both happy. They are all happy. The difference is that when you say both, we mean two people or two things. The answers have both been checked. So let's fill in the blanks here. We're going to complete the sentences using all or both. Dash dash students must wear uniforms. She invited dash dash of her sisters. We dash dash enjoyed the lesson. Dash dash information was shared online. They are dash dash ready to leave. Fill in the blanks. You're going to choose between all and both. Dash dash of the books are interesting. The children are asleep. I like dash dash answers. Dash dash of us agreed with the decision. The questions have dash dash been answered. Fill in the blanks here with the correct answers. Dash dash students passed the exam. We have dash dash finished our work. She likes dash dash languages. Dash dash of the food was eaten. They are dash dash numbers of the club. I mean members, not numbers. Here you are going to choose between using all and both, the same with the other exercise that we have finished. Dash dash, the information is correct. I spoke to dash dash of the teachers. The players are dash dash injured. Dash dash children deserve protection. We dash dash learned something new. Let's do this quiz. Choose the correct quantifier between all and both. Dash dash of the students arrived on time. They are dash dash responsible for the project. I like dash dash options, so I can't choose. Dash dash, the advice was useful. We have dash dash agreed to continue. So you're going to choose the correct quantifier that you think best qualify for the above questions and exercises. Then, ciao. See you.